Hey curlies and curly supporters, I'm Heather Love and this is That Curly Life. Today I'm interviewing Emily, and you might know her from her amazing cake company, Bon Vivant Cakes. Vibrant, luxurious, and amazing cakes. On top of all that amazingness, she's also a curly, rocking some beautiful curly hair. So today Emily's gonna tell us what it's like to live that curly life.
My hair is a mixture between my redheaded white mother and my Persian father. And growing up, my mother had no idea how to help me figure out how to tame my hair. So like many curly girls out there, I went through a long period of just brushing it all out until a saint of a woman who worked at like the Bo-Ricks in the mall was like, she like handed me a can of mousse and was like, just go out there and get them, honey. And so I did. I have always loved my hair. I have always felt a little, at the same time, tortured by my hair. I think all women feel tortured by their hair because it can be such a burden, because beauty is a burden. Also, I have so much of it. My hair is completely shaved on the sides and on the back. So I can, yeah, it's a little secret, huh? I know, didn't see that coming. So I have my stylist cut it so that I can wear it multiple ways. I can wear it like flipped over to the side. If I want to do this little thing, I can just go incognito and just look super normal and have it down. But the most common thing is just like straight up pineapple position. This is like when I'm around the house and it just stays in pineapple all the time.
There is such an absurd stigma attached to curly hair. Like in a professional setting, curly hair is not appropriate. It makes you look either wild, or it makes you look too youthful, or it just makes you look, there's something about it that's just like not sophisticated, not polished, which is trash. And it makes me really angry for all of the women out there who have to, because I know exactly how much work it takes to straighten my hair, which is why I never do it. To have these women getting up 2 hours beforehand to straighten their hair is terrible. And having to do that once a week would be bad enough. If you're a person who like works out frequently, to have to do that every day, every other day is so dumb. This sort of stigma that is attached to curly hair or to natural hair, Black women who wear their hair natural, makes me really sad. Black women have been doing a lot of work in the last couple of years, like kind of like pushing the culture forward a little bit, you know, with like the natural hair movement. And I'm hoping that things change a little. It's a small thing, but it's a big thing in the lives of women who have curly hair. Anytime I meet someone who has curly hair and they come up to me and they're like, oh my God, well, my hair's curly, but I wear it straight all the time, because I'm like, girl, what are you doing? Like, come on over here. Like, it's great over here. Like, you have a gift. Like, you have been given a gift. Everyone wants your hair. When you have curly hair, you have so many people coming up to you, pay you a very kind compliment of like, I love your hair. And you say, thank you. And they say, well, I bet that you wish that you had straight hair though, don't you? Because everyone who has curly hair wishes it was straight, and everyone with straight hair wishes it were curly. And I'm like, no, I don't. I actually don't. This is so low maintenance. I go to bed with wet hair. Like, you know, and I just wish that for all those other curly girls out there who are fighting their curl, that they could just embrace it, and all it takes is the right products. That's it. It's the right products. And a lot of women who do have naturally curly hair or naturally wavy hair, who have been straightening it for years and years, know that, I mean, your hair has like a memory to it, right? So, you know, they say like, oh, my curl pattern is wrecked, or like, oh, it just isn't that curly anymore. And that may be true, but I've been using DevaCurl products for like the past 5 years or so, and it has made my hair so much healthier. It has made my curl pattern so much more poppin' than it was a couple of years ago. And so with the right products, you can bring your curls back to life, and you can, it's not too late. It's not too late to just throw away the straightener and sleep for an extra 2 hours and just have a better life.
Emily is so encouraging, and I love it. It's just do yourself a favor. It is a transition. It will take time to find the right product and to have your hair look amazing, but once you do, it's so easy, guys. And Emily's right. DevaCurl is a miracle worker. If you've never tried DevaCurl, it is totally worth the price. It is totally worth figuring out which one's your favorite. I've never had a curl product that is this amazing. And trust me, like all of you, I've tried them all. Have you ever encountered anybody that told you to keep your hair curly and don't go back? I want to know. Comment. If you would like to contact me, you can contact me through my website, heatherallisonlove.com, or through my email, heatherallisonlove@gmail.com, or on Instagram @heatherallisonlove. I'll always have pictures up there of my latest curlies, and if you want to see even more pictures, you can see them on my blog post at heatherallisonlove.com/blog. If you want to be the first person to know when I have a new curly on That Curly Life, subscribe. You'll be notified as soon as I have a new curly on That Curly Life. Thank you, Emily, for coming out and being a part of That Curly Life, and I will see the rest of you curlies next time.